Hey, welcome to YouTube. Okay, and let's talk about the state of Nevada. Okay, this is the little bit longer version of the state of Nevada right now. Okay, so remember, Nevada is basically more of a tax deed auction. Okay, their auctions are usually held once a year. Okay, and they are usually either in person or they are on the internet. Okay. Now, one of the sites that they use a lot, the state of Nevada, is Bid for Assets. Bid for Assets, okay? And if you can see Bid for Assets, they usually handle a lot of the counties that do the tax deed auctions, okay? It's very rare you'll see them doing any tax lien auctions at all. They basically just do the tax deed auctions, okay? So, in the month right now, coming up, month of March and April, okay? They are going to be having the auctions online on Bid for Assets, okay? Now, when you register for Bid for Assets, they're going to require you to put a deposit down, okay? So you're going to have to put a deposit down onto their site, and it's usually between $2,000 to $5,000. That will allow you to bid on the auction. Now, you can register. It's free registration. There's no problem there, okay? They'll charge you, they won't charge you anything to create an account, which is basically putting your email address there, okay, and doing a password, okay? And the reason they get your email, because they can market to you, okay? So anyways, but you can create an account, okay, absolutely for free. You will not be able to bid at the auction unless you are going to be sending the money in to Bid for Assets, okay? Now, usually the way they do it is two ways for your deposits. First way is that one, you're going to have to send the cashier's check to them in the mail, okay? Or you're going to have to basically wire the money to them to the bank account, okay? So once you go in there, you fill out the information, your name, your address, all your pertinent information, okay, social security number, birthday, and all that stuff. Do you have an incorporation? Okay, put it under the corporation name and everything, or LLC, okay? Then you are they'll give you a account number, routing number, all the pertinent information. You go to your bank and you give the bank that information, and then they will wire it out, okay? Now, you got to check with the bank because some banks charge money to send a wire out, okay? So it all depends what bank you have and what type of account you have, okay? So you got to put that into your budget. Okay, now, tax deeds, okay? What do the tax deeds mean, okay? We've talked about this before. Let's go into it again. Tax deeds means that when you're going to be bidding at the auction, you are going to be bidding to own the property. Bottom line, okay? There's not going to be like a redemption period like in Indiana, or a redemption period, in a lot of these other states. So put it in your mind that, yes, you're going to bid there. Yes, you are going to be planning to own the property, okay? And you own it. Now, it'll take you about 30 to 60 days or a little bit longer for you to actually get the deed in the auction, okay? But you'll get the deed, and it'll probably be either a treasurer's deed or a quitclaim deed from the county, okay? Now, remember, when you are going to, before you bid, okay, they'll give you the parcel number, the APN number, okay? So you, as the investor, have to go on to the county assessor website, and punch in that parcel number, okay? And make sure that that parcel number, or APN number, you call it, is connected to an address of the property. And then if there's a house there, then that house is connected to that property, okay? So make sure you do your homework in that situation. It's very important, okay, that you do your homework there, okay? That you go onto the assessor's website, punch in the parcel number, okay? And it will give you some basic information, it will probably give you the square feet of the house, if it's there, how big the lot size is, okay? And if you have questions, don't be hesitant. Call the assessor, okay? Call them on the phone. Call them early in the morning, okay? Because that's the best time to get it if you could. You know, call them up on the West Coast time, okay? And right when they open up, before everybody else starts calling, that way you have certain questions, they can help you walk through the information. You also want to have them help you to go onto the GIS map. GIS map is basically a map that gives you where the property is located, okay? But, you know, you got to be careful because, you know, it may be out of date, okay? So always recommend, if you could, try to have somebody go over there and look at the property, take some pictures and so on for you, okay? So that's a little bit more information in the state of Nevada, okay? Tax detail, again, check it out on Bid for Assets, okay? And hope I give you some good information. Hope I give you some good value and everything. If you do, hey, give us a like or subscribe to us or give us a comment. We try to respond back to the comments, okay? And tell your friends about us, okay? And remember, in a couple of weeks, we'll be down in the state of Indiana, okay? So we'll be rehabbing some houses over there. We'll be showing all the properties that we are rehabbing, and I will be there personally, okay? So we'll be doing some videos and showing everything that's going on and so on, okay? Hope you liked the little video. If you do, please like us, share the video. Again, our motto, you're one step away from your dreams coming true in the tax sale. So until next time, we'll see you then.